Behind the scenes today, a very special guest, Peter of the YouTube channel PP Flatpack, a very famous YouTuber in the space of self-assembly IKEA furniture. He comes to my flat to assemble and video this Tyssedal IKEA cupboard. He brings lots of equipment which fascinates me because I'm a YouTuber myself, but I only use my phone and a mic. So we had a good time chatting as he set everything up. Fun!
Yeah, that's why studio would be the best thing.
Oh, it's a Sony?
This is Sony A7 III.
Ah.
Yeah, and you see when you wanna, if you wanna move it, because the normal iPod, you see how smooth is the movement here. So if you wanna just pan it, it's kind of smooth movement. So this head is important here. But on the other side, for heavier camera, it's too heavy.
He brings lights like these, not one, but two. Yes, made my flat look very bright for that day.
And how long it lasts? This one, but this is the same company. This is my favorite. Same company. They make it for let's say this drawer also inside. Look at this one. This is just tiny light. You can put it up and down. You can put it color shades on it if you want to. You can stick it on the metal places.
Wow,
such a cool thing. When you put it in the drawer, everything is just brighten. You can adjust the brightness, just the kelvins. How do you
are a real enthusiast.
That's the thing. If you really like it, then it's like a hobby and.
Peter is setting up his light. Fascinating stuff. Never had an umbrella like in my home before.
These shaders, these covers, they are very important. But you can do. I was watching before. I couldn't. Okay, this is 300. This is 300. And there is such a hacks. You can do this. You just
So the first one is to soften the light inside.
And this one even more.
Soften the second time.
Yeah. I'm still learning the light. I don't understand everything. I just try to get to the point.
Setting up an external monitor screen so that he can monitor himself. Later on, he'll push the video screen forward. You can see himself when he's taking his video.
Tracking varies. You can see what is in focus. It's gonna be like a blink on the screen when I put it on. Because before, when I didn't have many time when I work, when you see it on a video, you see auto shadows.
Yes.
And then they covering, very pointing the camera and changing the light. So like this, you set up your light as you want it.
Yeah.
And you just keep it. That's it.
Peter sets up two lights to eliminate the shadows. Very nice, ah.
You see now the shadow behind me?
That's nice.
It's gonna disappear. It's still kind of dark when I'm coming closer, but that one's gonna destroy it. You see my head?
Ah, so you're trying to destroy the shadows. I see. We want to destroy the shadows. So you have three cameras. This big one, and then a GoPro.
And the small brother. I used to do GoPro only, but then I wanna get a similar picture. So the ZV one was the Sony ZV one.
Details. Okay. Peter uses at least three cameras. The main one, the GoPro, another camera, just to capture all the details, and then he has to spend a lot of time stitching everything together.
Now they coming. You can do unlimited recording. It is stop every 30 minutes.
Oh.
So you need to watch that as well. There's some European setting.
Ooh.
But
now Peter's quite a perfectionist when it comes to the perfect angle and lighting for his video. Fun to watch. I wouldn't have the patience, but fun to watch. After taking about an hour to set up his equipment, the filming has begun. Now Peter will film and concentrate on his filming and later on do a voice over. It was fascinating for me to just come in and watch him from time to time. His concentration is, in his words, like a robot. He just goes on and 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 on for many hours. Admire his tenacity and grit and focus, and it is clear that he loves his work. So he loves his filming, he loves his assembly of IKEA furniture, and I must say the end product of his assembly was perfect. Couldn't ask for anything more, and definitely if I had done it myself, it wouldn't have been born. How did we get to know Peter? Well, my wife and I had been watching YouTube videos, and his channel is PP Flatpack. Well, put some links to his videos below, and we found the channel very useful simply because it gave us an insight on how difficult or easy it would be to build these IKEA pieces. So on top of this Tyssedal cupboard, which he politely asked if he could film, he also helped us build a couple more pieces, including the Henmes Day Bed, the MALM double bed, and associated stuff. It was good fun to help a YouTuber and let him use our premises for some filming, and it was wonderful to watch him. So this is the first video you see of PP Flatpack behind the scenes, and maybe he'll do more in the future, but voila, there is my cupboard being set up. Ain't it fun? Well, reach out to him over YouTube, watch his channel, I'm a big fan. Yeah, reach out to him, and yeah, maybe if you need help to fix up stuff, yeah, reach out to him too. His charges are very reasonable. In fact, he told me he is so busy he turns away lots of work these days. But if you ask him nicely, maybe he will try and help you. I don't know. Anyway, there is my cupboard. Thank you, Peter. All the best. Bye.